I just pulled off the oil pan from the bottom of the engine. There's the oil pan. There's the crankshaft front. Oil pan from the bottom of the engine. And they had an ungodly amount of gasket sealer on here. Like, they decided to not even remove the previous amount of gasket and just covered right over it. But as soon as I was able to get a screwdriver in between here and carefully pry it out, and it popped open, and this is what we're left with inside. All of this was just sitting inside the oil pan. These look like rod bearings to me. I won't actually know till we open up the engine. They're everywhere. A little nut? Why was there a nut on the inside of the engine? Man, that probably shot out and... This is a bolt to a rod. A connecting rod. That's what both of these are. I bet you this was the one from the connecting rod that we found outside the engine. Just here. This was the bolt from the connecting rod outside the engine, so I'm sure that's the nut for it. So the inside of the engine should look pretty interesting. There are a lot of metal shavings. This is going to take a lot of cleaning. Should be a filter on here. That was unreal. It is just sitting in there. Last bolt. Okay, I got the last bolt out. Sure did. Connecting rod. Did not want to stay. Awesome.